GPT-4 revolutionizes higher education, passing Harvard semester with flying colors. Introduction: a breakthrough experiment. Harvard University, known for its academic excellence, witnessed a groundbreaking experiment initiated by student Maya Bodnik. Curious about the capabilities of GPT-4, an advanced AI language model, she decided to challenge it with Harvard's first-year home essays in humanities and social sciences. This experiment aimed to explore the potential impact of AI on traditional essay writing in education. Unveiling the challenge. Maya Bodnik tasked GPT-4 with writing 7 essays on diverse topics ranging from economic concepts to presidentialism in Latin America and a literary analysis of a Proust passage. For the sake of unbiased evaluation, she submitted the essays to professors, disguising them as either her own work or the AI-generated output. However, all 7 essays were authored by GPT-4, using the essay prompts as guidelines. Impressive results. A new era in education. The results were nothing short of astounding. GPT-4 demonstrated remarkable proficiency, earning an impressive GPA of 3.57. Even with the restriction of generating only 750 words at a time, GPT-4 managed to outperform expectations and garnered high praise from reviewers. A melting pot of grades and praise. The essays received a mix of grades, ranging from A to B. Reviewers were astounded by the AI's capabilities, commending its structured approach, high level of detail, and eloquent writing style. Some essays received special praise, being described as beautifully written or well-articulated papers. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. One essay on conflict resolution faced critique for its excessive use of adjectives and metaphors. The lowest grade was awarded to the essay on Latin American presidentialism, as it neglected positive assessments and economic aspects. Implications and future prospects. Maya Bodnik, the driving force behind this experiment, expressed her belief in AI's potential to transform the educational landscape. With AI's ever-improving capabilities, cheating on assignments may become even more prevalent. While some AI companies attempted watermarking systems, OpenAI's skepticism about text recognition's long-term viability suggests a return to face-to-face assessments. The paradigm shift in education. Bodnik envisions AI as a catalyst for change in the humanities and social sciences. As AI advances, liberal arts majors may face mounting challenges in a post-AI world. Instead of focusing on punitive measures, she encourages educators to embrace this change and adapt their teaching methodologies accordingly. Conclusion: embracing the AI revolution. The successful completion of Harvard's first-year essays by GPT-4 raises questions about the future of education and career paths. As AI continues to progress, it is essential to rethink conventional approaches to learning and preparation. Rather than resisting change, academia must leverage AI's potential to foster innovation and equip students for the rapidly evolving professional landscape. In conclusion, the AI revolution is upon us, and it is vital to embrace this transformative technology and explore its possibilities to shape a brighter future for education and society as a whole.